Our recipe today is laing pinangat or tinumok. All we need is taro leaves, fresh, and the dried taro, Spanish mackerel, smoked fish or tinapa, grind shrimp. Pinuhin lang natin. And also we have the smoked fish or tinapa. It looks like a tinapa flakes. And we have now the taro leaves drained. Pinakula ko siya. And also we have the fish bones and tinapas or fish stocks. Pakuluan nyo lang, and when it's done, i-strain natin at para makuha natin yung stock ng mga fish. Lagay na natin sa isang kaldero na kasama ng dalawang coconut. Let's add now the onions. Mix it. Garlic. And the shrimp. Yan, pinino lang natin yan. And also the smoked fish or the tinapa flakes. And mix it all together. And we have the steak, Spanish mackerel. Then ginger, add natin. Mix again. And for seasoning, I use magic syrup. And we have also the black pepper and salt. Tama na natin tong taro stem. Sayang din. So it's time to wrap the taro now. Fill the taro leaves with cooked dried leaves and scoop according to the size or fits into the taro leaves and tied it using lemongrass. Nanginginig pa dyan ang inyong host dahil gutom na and kailangan natin madaliin para makakain na tayo. Another option para sa pantalin natin, pwede yung young coconut leaves. So dahil napakamahal ang taro dito, kailangan natin isama ang stem at isabay natin dyan sa ating pagpapakulo. Mag-add tayo ng chili finger para mas maanghang. Lahat ng gulay dito ay napakamahal. Cooking time is 1 hour to 1 hour 20 minutes. You can adjust the time depends on your cooking stove. And let's add now the cream. This is the all-purpose cream I am using para maging thick siya. You can add coconut if you want to be thickened, but for my option is add an all-purpose cream. Then when it's done, ready to serve. So here we go. It's finished. This is my finished products of laing pinangat or tinumok in Bicol. Laing pinangat tinumok. Tinumok is a Bicolano dish. This is similar to pinangat and laing. It is a shrimp mixture wrapped in gabi or taro leaves, then cooked in coconut milk. Variation can be made. You may use chicken or pork instead of shrimp or mix them. For my tinumok, I use shrimps and mackerel fillet and tinapa flakes. Of course, it is spicy. Matagal-tagal din tayo hindi nakakain ito, kaya sulitin natin at dahil napakamahal ng taro leaves. Nakalimutan ko pala, hindi ko linagyan siya ng shrimp paste or bagoong kasi marami na tayong ingredients. Till next recipe, thank you for watching!
Family, food, love, and adventure. Follow and subscribe at Mala Song Pinoy channel.